Thinking about trying CerebroZen? Or maybe you just got your bottle and want to make sure you're using it right? Smart move. In this quick guide, I'll share 5 simple but powerful tips that'll help you get the most out of this supplement. Because yes, how you take it makes a real difference. Number 1. First things first, take it daily, no skipping. CerebroZen is designed to work gradually, nourishing your brain and nervous system over time. Missing doses breaks that rhythm. Take 1 capsule per day, preferably in the morning after breakfast. That helps your body absorb it properly and keeps your focus going throughout the day. Number 2. If you're someone who drinks strong coffee or energy drinks, here's a tip. Try lowering your caffeine intake for the first week or 2. CerebroZen already supports calm focus, so mixing it with caffeine might give you the jitters instead of clarity. Let your brain adjust naturally, then reintroduce caffeine if you want. Number 3. Don't expect instant results. CerebroZen isn't like a pre-workout or energy shot. Most people start to feel noticeable changes after 2 to 3 weeks. Some sooner, some later. You might first notice better sleep, calmer mornings, or less overthinking. Number 4. Want better, faster results? Pair CerebroZen with brain-friendly habits. Get 7-8 hours of sleep. Practice short mindfulness or journaling sessions. Use focus methods like Pomodoro. This combo can really multiply the supplement's effects. Number 5. You might not realize it's working if you're not paying attention. Keep a quick journal. How's your focus? Are you sleeping better? How's your mood? These notes will show you where the shift happens. That's it, 5 easy ways to get more from CerebroZen. If you've tried it already, let me know in the comments what's working for you. And if you haven't yet, I've dropped the official link in the description with discounts and bundles available. Like this video, subscribe for more smart wellness tips, and I'll see you in the next one.